morning for the Keystone 500 Demolition Derby. The racetrack is cold, snowy, and icy, and there are lots of participants. Today is December 28th, 2024. It is Saturday, busy holiday weekend. The honored guests are being honored. The tourists are touring, and the vapes are gaping. Big times. About 4 inches of fresh snow fell last night. More on the way, according to the forecast.
Your Crystal 93 Snow Report is brought to you by Precision Ski. It's a good one this morning. Arapahoe Basin reporting 4 inches of freshies, along with Keystone and Loveland. Vail raking in 3, Copper Mountain reporting 3 as well. Breckenridge and Ski Cooper each with a couple of inches of fresh new snow. Beaver Creek reporting 1. Now this is all on top of a nice drop the day before. So Arapahoe Basin, for example, has had 9 inches of snow in the past 2 days. And of course, there's still some snowfall lightly coming down in Dillon. It was snowing pretty good this morning. Other big winners across the state of Colorado were Purgatory with 8 inches of fresh snow. Telluride reported 7. Crested Butte was 6. Steamboat raked in 5 inches. And out of this next storm wave, Steamboat is super favored to get a ton of snow. Winter Park reporting 4 inches.
Yeah. Good. That's like it. Yeah. First chair. Powder day. Arapahoe Basin. Change it up, this time Black Mountain Express. Yeah, first chair. Let's do it. Get it, chair number 1. Yeah. We are the best.
Yeah.
Chair number 1, first chair. You guys pumped?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Woo. I think we want to jam right down this rope line through these freshies. Mogul Mania. Pow jump.
Trailer, Tom, are you gonna hit
What's
this?
up? Let's hit it. I'm down. What do you
Oh,
think?
that you're here, I have to f***ing hit it.
That's right. You want me to scope it from the bottom for you? I just go down by this tree.
Yeah, if you want to.
All right, Geronimo. Found some sharks. Yeah. Ow! Sweet. White room. Yeah, top of the Palpatine chair powder day. Going fresh from the top. Yeah. Oh, it's deep right along the side of the fence. for us. That's a nice power turn.
You're big time.
Right on, guys. See you on the internet. There's a winter wonderland up here.